Welcome to this tutorial on Introduction to SQL for Data Analysis. In this video, we'll explore about the basics of SQL. This is what we are going to learn today in this video. Stay tuned till the end. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the primary language used to manage and interact with relational databases. In the world of data analytics, SQL is a vital tool for extracting, manipulating, and analyzing large datasets efficiently. Whether you're dealing with financial data, customer information, or sales records, SQL is your go-to language for data analysis. Data analytics is the process of examining datasets to uncover trends, insights, and patterns that can help in decision-making. It involves data collection, cleaning, processing, and analysis. SQL allows you to perform these tasks by querying relational databases. SQL is essential in data analytics because it can handle large datasets efficiently and accurately. It allows you to filter, sort, and aggregate data, which is critical for generating insights. SQL is not just for data retrieval, but also helps in data cleaning, transformation, and analysis, which are integral parts of the data analytics process. To understand SQL, it's important to first understand relational databases. A relational database stores data in tables, where each table consists of rows and columns. SQL allows you to interact with these tables to perform various data operations. Each row in a table represents a record, and each column represents a data attribute. Before we dive into SQL queries, you need to set up your SQL environment. For this tutorial, we'll use MySQL, which is a widely used relational database management system. You can also use other systems like PostgreSQL or SQLite, but the SQL syntax is largely the same across platforms. Once set up, you'll have the tools needed to query databases and begin data analysis. Now, let's start with the basics of SQL syntax. The three most important commands for data retrieval are select, from, and where. Select is used to specify which columns of data you want to retrieve. From specifies the table from which to retrieve data. Where is used to filter data based on conditions. This is the basic SQL syntax, where select retrieves specific columns from the table. From specifies the table to query, and where filters records based on conditions. We will be working on the employee database, and we can add on a new SQL sheet by clicking on the icon, and our sheet will be added. Let's start by our first statement to select all the elements from the table employees and sales. On executing this query, the entire table employees as well as sales will be displayed in the output section. We have two options for executing our queries. First one executes all the queries in the sheet, but the second one executes only the query cursor is currently placed on. Moving on to our next query. This query retrieves the first and last names of employees in the sales department. We will be using all the three basic SQL statements in this query to retrieve the required data from the table. Data filtering and sorting are crucial when you're working with large datasets. The where clause allows you to filter data based on conditions, and the order by clause allows you to sort the results. You can sort data in ascending, ASC, or descending, DSC, order. For sorting the data, we use this query that will sort employees alphabetically by last name from the table employees. And as you can see, they are sorted perfectly. Suppose we're analyzing sales data and want to retrieve information on the top-performing sales agents. We can filter the dataset to focus on sales employees, then sort the results based on their sales performance. This query retrieves sales employees with total sales greater than 10,000 and sorts them by sales performance in descending order. You can run all the queries at the same time by using the execution option that executes the entire sheet at once. And that's a wrap. In this video, We've covered the basics of SQL and demonstrated how it can be used for data analytics. From setting up your environment to writing basic SQL queries, you now have the foundation to start working with SQL. In the next video, we will dive deeper into more advanced querying techniques and explore how SQL can be used for more complex data analysis tasks.